Do you want to visit and spend time in Thailand? Do you want to experience the jungles of Chiang Mai and the bustling streets of Bangkok? If yes, then you are not alone. Here's how to make the most of your stay in Thailand this 2023 without spending much money. Welcome back to this channel. Tripsider has good news for you. You can visit Thailand on a cheap budget. Go chill out on the beaches of Phuket and these cost-saving travel strategies. Figure out inexpensive ways to experience the history, culture, nature, and entertainment in Thailand. No matter your budget or interests, this country has a lot to offer travelers. So watch and learn from these 8 tips. But before we begin, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also, ring the notification bell to stay updated with some of the essential tips we have to offer. With that, let's continue. How much does it cost to stay and enjoy this place? What are the things to avoid? This Thailand travel guide will show you how to explore the country like a pro. Thailand is the most visited country in the region and the travel hub of Southeast Asia. This is not surprising since they have a lot of tourist spots and unique foods. Everything is convenient and easy and is well known for its well-worn destinations. Number 8. Intern in Thailand or teach English. Thailand needs English teachers and interns. They have to prepare their children and adults for a connected global economy. Teaching English during your stay in Thailand can make your vacation more meaningful. You can also earn money if you have a TEFL certification. Companies such as International TEFL Academy will help you find a teaching job in Thailand. The country is a great place to learn more about finance, hospitality, biology, and other industries. You will gain valuable experience working in another country with an internship in Thailand. Your time to enjoy the sights and culture will be cheaper than a typical vacation. Number 7. Take public transportation when in the city. You might want to try the popular travel experience in Thailand, the tuk-tuk, or a motorized rickshaw. But choosing this as your primary mode of transportation can be a little pricey. Tuk-tuks are an easy way for tourists to be charged inflated prices. One makes a memorable memory, but more than enough may hurt your pockets. Instead, you can pick other modes of transportation from public vehicles. Available rides are buses, trains, taxis, ride-sharing apps like Grab, and even a walk to locations where famous landmarks stand side by side. Rent a bike to get around the city quickly. Your wallet will also breathe a sigh of relief as you get from location to location quicker. Bike rentals can range from THB 50 per hour to THB 300 per day. Number 6. The wonders of Thai street food. Eat like a Thai. Taste the mouth-watering flavors of authentic Thai cuisine without spending too much on the streets. It would be best if you experienced something new with all the food stalls and their iconic street foods. You can stop by for a taste of local markets and pop-up cafes. Pad Thai, satay, and papaya salad are the favorites here, and you can eat a lot at affordable prices. All dishes are freshly cooked. Don't hesitate to include them on your content or social media accounts. If you're in Bangkok, Yaowarat or Chinatown are the must-see locations because of their endless options of places to dine at. For delicious Pa Tong Go or crispy golden donuts, we recommend you check out Pa Tong Go Savoy. 5. Go to Thailand during non-peak season. The high season for tourism to Thailand is from November through March. When Thailand's weather is spectacular, their prices skyrocket. Going during the off-season can make your airfare half the price. The amount of money saved on airfare, lodging, and tours will be worth it. Number 4. Go local. Do you also have a soft touch for great deals? Where could be the best places to shop if you're in Thailand on a budget? We have endless options, but local markets are the best. Chatuchak Market is the most popular market to visit in Thailand. With over 15,000 stalls across 35 acres and 26 sections, this is considered the world's largest weekend market. One day is not enough to make your way around the whole place. Another option is the Pak Klong Talat in Bangkok or the Krabi Night Market in Krabi. If you don't want to deal with the big crowds or get too overwhelmed with the options, you can drop by this market. They have lively local culture and bargain shopping experiences. Before continuing with the remaining tips, keep watching for more advice on visiting Thailand without worrying about your wallets. From finding low-priced flights to intern abroad options, we will discuss it all here. We've got some more news for you on our YouTube channel. Click that notification bell for more updates about our channel and upcoming videos. Number 3. Experience Thai culture with a variety of paid and admission-free cultural shows. Thailand has a rich culture and history, and you can immerse yourself in the beauty of their heritage with both paid and accessible experiences. Anyone can spend hours looking at the contemporary and modern art exhibits hosted at the Bangkok Art and Culture Center without admission. The green landscapes of Lumpini Park in central Bangkok with the city skyline in the backdrop at sunset are a perfect spot to relax. The Bangkok Symphony Orchestra even holds free concerts at the park occasionally. If you are a sports enthusiast, catch one of MBK Fight Night's free Muay Thai matches, hosted on the last Wednesday of the month. Number 2. Visit smaller monasteries or temples that offer free admission. Save on lodging in Thailand. Don't know which temple to visit? Some famous monasteries and temples may charge you a pricey admission fee for visitors if it's your first time traveling to Thailand. Because the country is home to so many temples, you can experience the country's rich religious heritage. Smaller monasteries and temples even offer free admission. There are opportunities to immerse yourself away from the busy tourist crowds with the country's religious culture. If you're in Chiang Rai, you can check out the Tiger Cave Temple in Krabi or the Blue Temple. They are open daily from 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. Number 1. Exchange your pocket money to the local currency in advance. It's always best to have the currency of your destination beforehand when traveling. Avoid the additional fee your bank charges you when you need to withdraw from a local ATM and get around and pay for things more accessible. If you cannot exchange your money before you travel to Thailand, there are money exchange shops around the city that can accommodate you. Exchange a small portion of your pocket money at the airport to make it into the city. Then find a money exchange shop to change the rest. This is because money exchange shops in the city have better rates than those in the airports. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If you ever gained any information or inspiration in any way, please hit the like and subscribe buttons for more videos like this. Check out our next video. Over here are a couple more videos that you might find interesting. And as always, stay safe and have a good one.